everyone, it's grocery haul day, and today we went to Dollar Tree. I actually had forgotten my list at home, but I knew basically some of the items that I just really needed to pick up. So I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to talk about some repeat buys that we've already purchased again from this specific Dollar Tree for grocery items that helps us spread our budget and things that we liked. So first thing on here is Matt actually tried the Healthy Choice chicken noodle soup while we were snowed in, and he really liked it. So I went ahead and bought 4 more cans of those for a pantry stock up because they're already calling for winter snow again. This is new. It's Mexicali white nacho cheese sauce. It's something I haven't tried before. They actually had several like Hispanic brands that I've seen other places before, so I really wanted to try it and see if we liked it, because I like queso blanco since I cannot eat tomatoes with the exception of few pizza brands. This is also a repeat buy. Matt really liked these dark chocolate espresso beans. They're just like, you eat them like candy. He really liked them, and he let me try one of them because he's like, I really want you to try this to see if you like it, and I did. So I bought 2 bags, one for me, one for him. And then I also got these because coffee hard candies are really yummy sometimes, just as a quick pick me up kind of thing. It's really good. So yeah, I wanted to try this brand, see if we liked it. This is a repeat. We did buy these french fries before we got snowed in and tried them while we were snowed in, and yeah, we actually really liked them. The only thing I didn't like was that usually when I put them in the air fryer, I'll just sprinkle the top and then stir the fries later, but like all the seasoning stuck to those fries on the top. So I mean, I'm gonna have to like actually stir the seasoning in while they're frozen, which I know some people are going to say that's how you're supposed to do it, but I've never actually had to do it that way, so I guess now I'm being forced to do it that way. I looked at, so you saw yesterday's video, we went to Walmart in Fifth City as well, and it's down there, but I'm filming in reverse order because I went to Dollar Tree first. They actually carry these as well, these Fast Bite spicy chicken sandwiches, and I thought this would be something just Matt could have in the freezer for like a quick thing to heat up if he just didn't get super full, because he doesn't eat very much while he's working a construction job. So sometimes he comes home and he's exhausted, and sometimes he comes home and he just needs more food in his system. So I thought those would be for like after work, and if he had a light dinner and he wants more, that's something he could do. Minced garlic, that was something that Matt had been asking me to try to find again, and Dollar Tree had it, so we're gonna try theirs because it was $1.25 to try it. This is a repeat buy. The kids like the Apple Snacks applesauce cups that they had. And we have tried the cinnamon. And I think we tried the all-natural one. And they liked them. So this is just like for quick snack. We actually do have cans of applesauce right now. But I try to save the canned apple, like in metal cans. Canned applesauce. But I try to save that for like baking as egg substitutes. So I like doing these better for the kids for snacks. Speaking of snacks, we also found tapioca flavored snack pack pudding, so that's going to be like a midweek dessert for the kids. This was also something super cute, and the vegan cookbook we bought from Dollar Tree a few weeks ago for my lactose free one has several recipes calling for maple syrup, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of let her play with maple syrup with like some drinks and stuff. And this bottle's super cute, kind of reminds me of like the Cracker Barrel size bottles that you can get if you order pancakes at Cracker Barrel. We also went ahead and we needed hand soap. We ran out while we were snowed in. So, we almost ran out while we were snowed. I think the girls did. Matt and I almost did. So I picked up 2 Himalayan salt and 2 vanilla honey for our bathrooms. Honestly, I don't know the price comparison of that size versus Walmart. I'll have to do some research into it. The PS Clean Beauty Ultra Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner for Curls. This is something we're going to try and see if my curly hair child likes it. And if we just hate it, it was only $1.25 a bottle. There's some other ones that we're thinking about getting and trying out, but we just decided today was not the day to experiment with that, with more snow possibly in the forecast. Another thing is, I always say at the holidays I buy paper plates for like holidays, getting snowed in. When we were snowed in this past time, the temperatures actually dropped so much. The TVA asked people to not run appliances, but like when you have 6 people at home, you can only do so much without a dishwasher. And one of the reasons why I ended up running the dishwasher more was because of utensils. So I was like, you know what? It's only $1. Let's get a pack of forks and a pack of spoons. I don't get the multi-packs anymore because most of the knives just either end up accidentally getting thrown away or purposely thrown away, and I don't want to do that. So I went ahead and got just forks and just spoons for a stock up for if we get snowed in again and need to reduce our electricity use. The flavors that we've tried so far from Dollar Tree of their pods, we've actually really liked. So I thought this time we would do the breakfast blend. Breakfast blend is one that Matt and I both really like. I'm not a huge fan of super strong coffee myself. Also, my system with my chronic illness cannot handle super strong coffee, but breakfast blend is one that, like, it has a bold flavor, but it's not as strong. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but like, I like breakfast blend, and so does Matt, and he actually will drink like darker coffee. But yeah, we both like breakfast blend, so I was like, hey, why don't we try theirs? Also, another try. So we've had this size bowl from Walmart, and I've sent it for Matt for work before, and so I texted him today. I'm like, are these too big for you to take for work versus those tiny cups that you take? And he said, no, we could try it for 1 week and see if it's just too much for that short break that I get for lunch. So I got him the Fireball ramen spicy beef, and then 2 of the hot and spicy chicken, and then 2 of the just regular chicken. And that is it from Dollar Tree for this week. I spent almost $50. I did also get some things for the kids that are not on here, so like you didn't see that. That's about $5 worth. It is $5 worth. But other than that, that's everything else on here, $1.25. So add all that up, it was close to $50, and I didn't think that was bad for like I said, stuff for Matt for work. And I know like that's kind of a spoiler for our meal plan. And like I said, if you actually want to see our full meal plan, what we do is we put it in a members only post, and we do it at the 99 cents a month and above level, so that way it's super affordable, but also helps us support our channel. And also, like, it does take extra work to put those meal plans together on a format for you all to use. So I do put that in there. This one's kind of a freebie on there of things that you'll see, but on there you would also see like what the kids and I eat for lunch at home, what he takes for breakfast, what the kids eat for breakfast, what we do for dinners, how we do snacks and desserts for a family of 6, and it shows like a whole week. So if you're interested in that, click the join members only button below. Speaking of which, thank you to all of our members who support this content and allow us to continue making videos, and thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing, and we will see you next time.